This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to quarter an elk. First, ensure you have a very sharp knife and sturdy game bags ready. Position the elk on its back, which makes the initial cuts much simpler. Begin by making a shallow cut from the sternum down to the pelvis, being careful not to puncture any organs. Then, carefully open the body cavity and remove all the entrails, setting them aside. Next, let's tackle the front quarters. Feel for the natural seam where the shoulder blade meets the rib cage. There's no bone to cut through here, just muscle and connective tissue. Work your knife along this seam, separating the entire front leg from the carcass. Once free, carefully place each front quarter into a clean game bag to protect the meat from dirt and insects. Now for the hind quarters, which are typically larger. Begin by cutting around the hip joint, working your knife deeply to expose the ball and socket. Carefully disarticulate this joint, separating the leg from the pelvis. You'll need to sever all the muscle attachments connecting the hind leg to the main body. Once each hind quarter is free, place it into a separate game bag for transport. Finally, don't forget the prized backstraps and tenderloins. The backstraps run along each side of the spine. Carefully cut them away from the vertebrae. Inside the body cavity, along the underside of the spine, you'll find the smaller, very tenderloins. Gently remove these delicate cuts. Bag all these prime pieces separately to ensure they remain clean and ready for your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.